Alright, so Chris got the house for the jump. So alright, Chris, you gotta walk them through. What happened to you still got the doorbell on there?
Yes.
Okay, alright, so show them the doorbell.
Okay. So I put I cut a water bottle and I taped it right here. And it's like a doorbell when you push it. And then when you open it, there's a box, another box taped to it for her bed.
Yeah.
And then there's a ball and a Christmas tree.
Oh, so it's a Christmas puppy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, all right. Well, put that John in there. So let's see that John house.
Oh, baby. Be happy again.
Close the door. Look like. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, man. Slow down, squad. When I tell you to slow down, I'ma need you to slow down. Yeah, man. And today, which is really tonight, I got both my kids with me. They go one. Wait, where you at? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? They go one. And there go two. So we about to show y'all these little puppies right quick, you dig? So let's go ahead and get this video started. To the next scene. Slow down, squad. Alright, man, these jumps all sleeping. Oh, look, they so peaceful. Look how peaceful they are. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Chin Chin, you see?
Look at the iPhone.
Yeah.
Look at the iPhone.
Thank you. You see it? You see? Yeah. Okay, pick one up, Chin Chin. Pick one up. Just pick one up. Which one you want to pick up?
My hands are wet.
Your hands so wet. Well, wipe them off then. You gotta wipe them off. No, you ain't supposed to put your shirt up. You're supposed to wipe them off. Okay, this the one we keeping, the red one. Here, Chin Chin, pick her up. Pick her up.
Be so boo-boo.
Ooh, look at the baby. Aww. Oh, he about to get you. Ain't got no teethuses. Ain't got no teethuses. Sit down on you.
Sit down here.
Yeah, you gotta sit down on you. Yeah, you got ready, tummy.
Take it straight.
Look, you gotta turn her around. She don't like being like that. Not yet. Yeah, okay, just sit her down like this.
Okay.
There you go. Rub her. Just rub her. You gonna rub her?
Yes.
All right, rub her. There you go. She might pee-pee on you.
No, not.
Okay.
No, boo-boo.
Yeah, say hi. Hi.
Mom.
What, you trying to eat the dog now?
No, not. I'm kind.
Say hi. She not crying. She chilling. Say hi.
We'll pick one.
Huh?
We'll pick one.
You want to get another one?
Yes.
Well, that's the one that we gonna keep.
Yes, we'll pick one.
Okay, get another one. Go ahead.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Big.
The puppy big?
Yeah, a little round.
Huh?
Not too round.
You want to put her on the stomach? Let me see. She might not let you.
It's earth.
Oh, there you go. See, they don't like being on their back. They want to be on their stomach. See, they don't like that.
Oh.
They don't want to be on their back. They want to be on their stomach.
Hi.
They saying hi?
Hi, Lord.
Show Slow Down Squad the puppy.
Hi.
She going crazy, Chin Chin?
Yeah, whoa, the baby fall.
All right, go ahead, put her back.
What's it on?
Oh, you want to get another one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, this one. We'll pick one. That one. That one. See that one. Wonderful. Yeah. Sorry.
That's too tough. You don't gotta go soft. You gotta go like this. you sorry. It's okay. You gotta be soft. Be gentle. You see it? Be gentle. You like that?
Ew.
Look at the mouth. Ooh, look at that puppy.
You bited.
No, they don't have no teeth, see? They don't got no teeth. There's no teeth. All right, pick it up. Pick it up.
A big sick bird.
Pick it up. Oh, look. She got her eyes open, see?
The eye open.
See? Her eyes open.
Oh, hold it. Oh, hold it.
Okay, good. Sheesh. I mean, it's, goodness, look at this, look at this, look at the water. Y'all see the water? I gotta try to find something to break. Everything froze. I'm about to try to get a rock. Hold on. All right, Crystal, which one is, I'm not gonna say do you like, but which one between you and Aaliyah did you pick? Which one did you get?
The yellow one.
All right, get the yellow jump.
Never down. Don't see they.
What did you name that jump?
Lala.
Lala?
Baby,
Do you got, hold on, how about you do this? Go run upstairs. Do you still got the house for the jump?
Oh, yes.
Go run upstairs and show them the house. Alright, slow down squad. So Chris about to go upstairs and she about to show y'all the house. Chris got a house and Aaliyah got a house. But Aaliyah's at her mother's house. It's the weekend. Today's Friday, so she's at her mother's house today. So she's not here. But Chris is gonna show her house and y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, what they done done. We gotta get their water. And I gotta climb up this dangerous ass hill. Ooh, this junk janky. This junk janky. Alright. Get this water. Oh, this nigga water is definitely. Let me see. Alright, that's not gonna work. Well, at least throw the food ball down the fucking hill. Watch out, man. Alright, slow down, squad. Tired. That Roddy. How y'all feel about this snow? Do y'all like this snow? Huh? Damn, as soon as you come out here, your eyes get all watery. It's crazy. Hi. Swear to God. Maya! I'm about to say into the next scene, slow down squad, and what are you doing?
Mom said hi. Am I big coming?
Maya, you can't do that.
Daddy, are you coming?
On my stomach?
Yes.
No, I want to put it on my stomach.
Where's Rory?
Alright, so Chris got the house for the jump. So alright, Chris, you gotta walk them through. What happened to you still got the doorbell on there?
Yes.
Okay, alright, so show them the doorbell.
Okay. So I put I cut a water bottle and I taped it right here. And it's like a doorbell when you push it. And then when you open it, there's a box, another box taped to it for her bed.
Yeah.
And then there's a ball and a Christmas tree.
Oh, so it's a Christmas puppy. Okay, all right. Well, put that joint in there. So let's see that joint house.
Baby. Be happy again.
Close the door. Little too big now, huh? All right, so ring the doorbell and then let it open up. Amaya, you can't do that. Stop. She put that joint right there?
Yes.
Amaya, you can't do that. Stop it. Go on somewhere. Go. Why you messing up the video being OC? Go on, roll out, man. Ching Ching, put that jump back. You been extra.
What pick one? Let's pick one.
I gotta get that one out. Put it right there.
What pick one? What happened?
When y'all built it,
Hey, dog, she's
when they
OC.
built the doghouse, their eyes wasn't open yet. Now it's open.
Yeah, that's why I say it's too big now. Look at that jump walking. Look at that jump walking away. That's a girl or a boy?
A girl.
A girl. Gotta get down this hill. Don't bust my ass. Oh. Okay. There we go. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I don't like this. I ain't feeling this at all. I ain't feeling this at all. On everything. This shit for the birds, man. All this ice back here. Well, boss man, you know what I'm saying? Why don't you just throw some salt down? I don't feel like going to Home Depot. That's why I ain't throwing no salt down. I don't feel like going. Sometimes people just don't feel like doing things. And then a lot of times they're not going to just do them just because you suggested they should do them. It's kind of funny how the world works, right? If everybody made moves based off of what someone else think, just imagine the world would be way more worse than what it is now. Because opinions are like assholes. Everybody got one. You dig? So man, I'm about to go down these icy steps. Leave that alone, that ain't in your food, dog. You know what I'm saying? Go down these steps. To the next sink. You know the motto. A girl. When they first built the jump, they could fit in there. Now it can't fit.
Sit down. Go to mommy.
Ow!
Maya, what are you doing? You are so OC. Dang. So you taking up for your sister now? Alright, don't ask me for none. Aww. No, two of them don't go in there.
I'm not.
Aww. Aww. Puppy so cute.
Don't move.
Maya, no. No, Maya. No, Maya. What is wrong with you, man? Damn, bye, Felicia.
Hi, you go.
Bye, Felicia. Gee, huh?
She got issues.
Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia.
Baby,
What are you doing? You ain't even got no food to eat.
I got that.
What?
I got that.
Where your food at?
I did it.
Bye, Felicia. Oh.
No. Sorry.
Put it back in there. Ayana.
Put puppy back.
What's
Sorry.
I want the old one.
No, that's it. No more.
I want the
No, why you always gotta think like this? I said no.
I want the
No,
old
ain't no
one.
thinking.
I want
No.
the old one.
No.
Please.
No.
What's
wrong?
One.
You sad now? Oh well. You about to cry? You about to cry? Stop crying. No crying, okay? The puppies need to go to sleep. They're too small. You can't keep playing with them, okay? Okay? Okay, tomorrow you can play with them, okay? You did already. You've been holding it for a very long time. No, you see they tired. They go night night. You already hold one. Tomorrow. Look at your sister. She ought to get back. Cheese. Cheese. Say cheese. Sorry. Cheese. Look at them. Cheese. Cheese. You put it over here.
To the next shank. You know.
I'm going 85 on a one-way road with a thing to my head, thinking gon' let it go. Nigga, you should go thank deacons on the real. All a nigga ever said was we gon' let it go. Some street trapping led a nigga to a situation that I never thought it'd be. Plus, I'm a nigga from another fucking city, so they looking at a mom.